Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a kind of a fun job. It's the end of a job that I had started a while back. I hadn't had a chance to video it, but I'll throw up some before and after pictures at the end of the video in case you want to see what it looks like. But today the task is to hook up 6 new washing machines at one of the local laundromats around town here. So without further ado, let's get inside and see what's happening. Okay, here are the new machines, looking all spiffy. And then we'll come around back here, and this is what we'll be doing. We have water connections that have to be made up and drainage connections. We still have to put the traps on and connect everything. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and bring you over and show you one of these up close, and then we'll just do a quick overview of the rest. Okay, so here are our components. We've got 2 full-size 3/4 inch hoses that will go from the water supply to the machine. We have a rubber connector that goes from the machine to our trap, and we'll be doing the furthest machine here, so we'll be putting a trap on here, getting it over and connecting to this machine. Should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so it looks like everything's pretty close. I had marked center of all of these, and if I hold our trap here, it looks like we're pretty close here on center. So I just need to get a measurement here for this. It looks like it's going to be roughly the hubs plus about 1 inch. So I will get that measurement. So if we do this, we're looking at approximately, let's just call it 4.5. 4.5. Let us go ahead and prime. Okay, just like that. Then we'll measure off the back here. It's about 5.5 to the front edge of the hub. After we cut our rubber piece, we can then confirm that's a good length for it. And we'll just probably cut a piece and then bring it up, 1.5 inches outside of the hub. As if it were a short piece, cut this to that length, and then clamp them all together. Charles, you want to grab me the impact driver? It's over on the other side.
It's over. Where is it? On the other side?
Other side, yeah. Wait, what? That's obnoxious.
My brother's the one that's got screwed back there.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Put it through it, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, so we have hot here, cold there. And this valve is our cold. This one right here is our hot. So we'll get the hoses connected.
Did these just get like coiled up?
Yeah, pretty much. Just gonna come up, screw in just like that. This one will come in over here like this. Huh? Yeah, you look good. And we'll go ahead and turn it on.
There we go.
looks good. Now we just move on to the next one. Okay, so all of the machines are on. And in the back here, we are all plumbed up and ready, no leaks. Programmer will be out here sometime in the next week or so. He's gonna program these machines, run them, and then I'll be notified if there are any leaks, but everything should be buttoned up and looking pretty good, so I think they're all set. All right, everybody, so that'll do it here for today. We got those machines all hooked up. Like I said, the programmer will probably be out here next week or perhaps after the new year. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll be talking to the owner. He's gonna let me know so I can be on standby if need be. All in all, that went pretty well. The rubber elbows that came with the machines are a heavy, heavy rubber. They're difficult to work with. Without knowing where the machines are gonna be exactly, it's almost impossible to put the drain right where that elbow is going to work. They inevitably have to be cut, and being that it's a heavy rubber, it makes it very difficult to get it over the PVC, as I'm sure you saw me struggling with it. However, it's a very heavy rubber, so you can really pull on it. It's not going to tear. It's manageable. It's doable. We got everything together. I'm not really sure why the hose clamps that they sent aren't made for that hubs section. They're a little bit small. Go figure, but I had extra ones on the truck, so I was able to get it done. The hose connections, it's full size 3/4 inch hose. Actually, the hose portion is like 1 inch on the outside. So it's a really heavy duty hose to be able to really get the volume of water you need into those machines. But like I said, everything went pretty well, pretty smooth. All the rough plumbing was almost exactly where I needed it. We just had to put the traps in, and putting the traps in went pretty well. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like down below. It really helps the channel out. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this job. Would you have done it any differently? Or did you notice anything out of the ordinary? Also, drop a comment. Let me know if you've worked on these machines. Let me know if there's a way that I can bypass the programming to just run it without the programmer needing to come here. I tried to look all over, look up with a manual and everything online, but there was nothing that I found that allowed me to operate the machine without putting a whole bunch of money into it. Also, if you saw any tools that you liked while I was working, there's a good chance it's on my store on Amazon. I will leave a link to that down below. Anything that's purchased through that link, I do get a bit of a commission on, and so it would be greatly appreciated. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned and be notified anytime I put up a new video. And with that, everybody, I look forward to seeing you on the next job, and I thank you for watching this job. Until then, bye for now.